Welcome to Moonshot Meditation. I'm Laverne McKinnon. Today's meditation is about 11 minutes long, and it's designed for you to come back to again and again if you would like. And if you miss a day, no problem. Just come on back whenever you are available and or ready. And so today's topic is about decluttering your mind. And so before we officially begin, I just want to invite you to find a comfortable position. You can be sitting in a chair at your desk. You can be sitting on the floor. You can have your back up against the wall. However you are, the goal is just to feel comfortable in your body. So just getting any fidgets out is completely fine. And if you're sitting in a chair, I just want to invite you to uncross your legs. I've got mine uncrossed, and then just allowing your feet to be gently planted on the floor. Okay, let's begin. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. If you prefer, you can keep them slightly open with a soft gaze. Go ahead and take a deep, soothing breath in through your nose, allowing your chest and belly to expand fully. And then hold this breath for a moment, feeling the air fill your lungs. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension that you've been holding. Repeat this breathing pattern once more. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold briefly, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Notice how your body naturally softens with each exhale. Go ahead and resume your normal breath and gently bring your attention to your body, starting with your feet and slowly move them upward. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort without trying to change them. Just simply observing, noticing, and naming. Feel the weight of your feet against the floor or surface beneath you. Allow your feet to completely soften. Move your attention to your legs. Notice any sensations that might be present. And with each exhale, imagine a wave of tranquility flowing through your legs, loosening any tightness. And now bring your awareness to your hips and your lower back. These are areas that often hold stress, especially after long periods of sitting at your desk. Allow them to soften and loosen with each breath. Now focusing on your abdomen and chest, feel them rise and fall with each breath, allowing your shoulders to drop away from your ears, and feeling your arms becoming very heavy and serene. Bring your attention to your neck and jaw, allowing any tension to melt away as you exhale. Finally, focusing on your face. Soften the muscles around your eyes, your forehead, and your mouth, allowing your face to be smooth and tranquil. Take a moment to scan your entire body, noticing the overall sense of serenity. Your body is now prepared for the mental decluttering. And as we settle into this moment, go ahead and acknowledge the unique challenges of your life. Your mind may wander through tasks, new challenges, ever-changing horizons. And this mental journey, it can feel both overwhelming and rich with experience. We're using this time right now to recognize the constant flow of your thoughts, all swirling in your consciousness. And as we breathe together, we'll gently guide these thoughts into a more harmonious arrangement. So I'd like for you to begin by imagining a clear, open space in your mind. This space represents your potential for clarity and focus. Take a moment to appreciate this mental openness that you've created. And now, visualize your thoughts as leaves. And these leaves are gently floating on a very calm stream. And each leaf represents a different thought, a different concern. Watch these leaves as they drift by. You're simply acknowledging their presence, noticing each thought leaf without judgment, and allowing it to float away downstream. This represents letting go of mental clutter, if only temporarily. And as the stream of thoughts continue, you might notice that some leaves are sticking to the banks of the stream or circling in eddies. These might be persistent worries that you're holding or tasks that are demanding your attention. In your mind's eye, gently guide these thought leaves back into the main flow, allowing them to continue their journey downstream. Now shift your visualization to a calm, orderly desk. And this desk represents your organized mind. You might picture drawers and compartments, and these are each dedicated to a specific category of thoughts or tasks. Imagine sorting your important thoughts into these drawers, feeling the sense of order this creates in your mind. Know that these thoughts are safely stored and easily accessible when you need them. This organization allows your mind to feel lighter and more focused. Take a moment to appreciate this mental clarity. Notice how your mind feels more spacious and serene. Repeat the following statements silently to yourself. My mind is clear and focused. I adapt easily to new environments. I am capable of handling any challenge. My thoughts are organized and accessible. I find peace wherever I am in the world. My mind is serene amidst change. As this meditation draws to an end, I want you to take a moment to appreciate the sense of clarity within you. Go ahead and take 3 breaths in through your nose as an inhale, and then exhale through your mouth. Slowly bringing your awareness back to your surroundings, noticing any sounds or smells or sensations. And on your last breath, open your eyes whenever you're ready. You've done beautifully today. I'm so proud of you for showing up for yourself. And remember, you can come back to this meditation anytime that you would like. I'm Laverne McKinnon, and I will see you next time.